Man. My water right here. I'm gonna keep that right there. But I know I got the curtains blacked out and closed. I ain't gonna lie, I like this interior. Got my driving glove, headset, water. This junk got something called optimized idle, so the truck cut off and cut on, cut off and cut on. Currently in the sleeper bird. They're probably about to crank back up. Had to get me some blankets, sheets, pillows, extra pillow back there. I ain't got nothing in there yet. But come on, G. I got my chips, my granola bars, my protein bars. Cause boy, this bread started getting crazy. Yeah. So that's how we. Yeah. Lay that up like that. What else? Well, we got my water. Gotta have that water. Trash bags, wipes. Regular stuff right there. What we got? And gotta have me them. Gotta have them gala apples. Let's see. Can't really see it. But yeah, gotta have the gala apples. Man, I need me a load. Boy, listen here. This will make it a little bit more comfortable though. Got the top bump up there. Man, it's time to lay it down.